Hey, what's up guys? My name is Brandon from Style So Dapper, and today I'm bringing you another Gentleman's Box unboxing for October 2018. Now, for those of you who don't know what Gentleman's Box is, it's a monthly subscription box for $25 a month. The things that you receive are ties, pocket squares, socks, tie clips, lapel pins, and various other men's novelty items. This is one of my favorite boxes that I receive, and I'm always excited and always enjoy the items that come in these boxes. So without further ado, let's change perspectives and unbox it and see what great items we received this month. Alright guys, so I already went ahead and cut the labels because I figured you guys wouldn't want to see that. So let's open it up and see what we got. Alright, Mystery Murderer. Now that's interesting. October 2018. Now I'll probably flip this slow so you guys can pause it and just look at it. So there's the first page. Alright guys, so there you go. That's the Gentleman's Box for October 2018. And that's a pretty awesome box, as you guys can tell. So if you're interested in that, you should definitely go to their website and sign up. I don't have any discount codes yet or anything like that because my channel is still really new, but you can still go check them out. And as always, if you enjoyed watching my videos, I highly encourage you to subscribe and follow my Instagram and my Twitter. And thanks for watching.